Hi everyone, welcome to another property showcase from propertycozy.com. I am Tavia and I will be your property guide for today. Please remember to like, share, subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified when a new property is available. Let's get into it. Located in the residential community of Sydenham Villas, this 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom house provides 2,300 square feet of living space for your family. This flat rectangular lot of 4,500 square feet offers room for backyard entertainment or expansion. Enjoy the comforts of this community, which is in close proximity to major amenities, other residential communities, and schools. With accessibility to Kingston. Guys, it's time to see this house. Please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 28.5 million or US $185,100. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.